Hi YouTube. Good morning or good evening if you are on the other part of the world. Today I'm gonna teach you on how to cook this rice. Some of you doesn't know how to cook it. So first, get 1 cup of rice, depending on how many rice do you want. And then for this, I'm going to have a 1.5 cup of rice. In Tagalog, this is called bigas. After it is cooked, it will be now called kanin. So first off, we are going to clean it first. But first I'm gonna turn it on. I only have 2 hands, so I'm gonna pause it for a minute. No, I'm not gonna pause it. Let's put it here. There you have it. First you gotta clean it with water. Once there's enough water, you're gonna switch it off and then drain the water. The sink is not... I'm having a problem with our sink right now. I haven't cleaned it yet. Drain the water. Yeah, that's it. This rice is enough for 2 to 3 person. I'm gonna drain it first, so wait. I'm gonna pause it. And now, after draining it, since I have put 1.5 cup of rice, we're going to use the cup again and then fill it up. Put it in the water. I put it in the rice, and then if you put 1.5 cup, I believe you should put 2.5. That will be 2.5 cup of water. That will be enough. So that's it. Then place the lid, put it in the rice cooker, then switch it on, wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm not gonna play it, you're just gonna wait. I mean, you can wait for 20 minutes to be cooked.
20 minutes later.
You will hear a clicking sound when it's done, and then instead of highlighting this cook, it will get to 1. So someone texted me, and here you go. There's your rice. Thank you for watching.